If you want to post a video to Instagram story that's more than 15 seconds, this is the right video for you, and it's a two-step process. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. So the very first step is you have to take a video using your camera roll. So make sure you record your video using your camera and not the Instagram app. This is the video I have. It's about 40 seconds, so it's not gonna let me post the whole thing to Instagram. So after you record your video, we need to download an app from the App Store. So let's jump into the App Store, and it's called Cutstory. Let's go ahead and search for Cutstory. Cutstory for Instagram. Go ahead and download that. I'm gonna go ahead and open the app here, and we want to do a video, so I'm gonna press the video icon on the bottom here. I'm gonna say okay, and I'm gonna choose that video here. So I'm gonna choose that 41-second video, and I'm gonna press save. And now I could either add it to Instagram or other social media, but I'm gonna choose Instagram for the case of this video. And it's gonna go ahead and process it and break this video up into smaller videos. This is a lot easier than using an editing software to break the videos down to 15-second chunks. Because my video was 41 seconds, if we do the math, it's gonna break it up to 3 different videos, a couple of 15-second video and an 11-second video. So now the video has been chopped up, so we don't have to do anything else here. Let's jump into our Instagram, and let's go ahead and go to story here. And because this was taken in the last 24 hours, I could go to the bottom here because I just did this process. You see the original 41 second, but now I have 15, 15, and 11 seconds. So it broke it up to 3 pieces so I could share it to Instagram stories. So I'll select the first one, share it to my story. Then I'll go back to story one more time, do the same thing, select the second one, share it to my story, and then I'll do it one more time. I'll go back to story, share it to story a third time, and then I'll send that to story. And now if I go to my story, here's the first one, here is the second one, and then here's the third one. So it basically stitches it together, but you have to upload them one at a time like this. But that is how you get around posting longer videos into Instagram story. So when someone is watching your Instagram, they're just gonna play back to back, and it's gonna seem like a seamless video. Now, if you don't like the watermark here, the Cutstory watermark here, you could actually purchase a 99-cent removal of that if that bothers you. It doesn't bother me. It's really nice and subtle on the bottom. People don't even usually notice it. So that's how you post videos that are longer than 15 seconds onto Instagram story. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Like I said, I post easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week. And as always, thank you so much for watching this one. See you next time.